All right, everybody. We got two of the smartest AIs on the planet. Which ones do you think they are? Codex versus Claude Code. One by OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Anthropic. All right, so this is how we're going to battle it. We're going to take Claude's prompt and we're going to put it into Codex, right? Then we're going to take ChatGPT's prompt and we're going to plug it into Claude Code. And we're going to see which one has the best output. So you might want to stick around to see what it's going to be like. All right, so without further ado, we're going to get right started into the video. All right, so we're going to take the landing page prompt from OpenAI right here, ChatGPT, and then we're going to go to Claude and we're going to paste it right in here. And the same thing we're going to do for Codex. We're going to go to Claude right here and then we're going to paste this into Codex. So first, let's get started and see how Claude's prompt does with Codex. So let's go. We're going to copy this and we're going to do this a little differently. We're going to go into the IDE, into Visual Studio Code here, and we're going to paste the prompt right in here. Let me move the camera, and we're going to let it go. All right, so here is the prompt for Codex, and let's see how it does. All right, while this is working right now, producing this landing page that we wanted, now we're going to go over, we're going to check out ChatGPT's prompt for Claude Code, right? So we're going to copy this. Now we're going to go to the Claude Code over here. Now we're going to select the Claude demo that I'm doing for you guys right here. And now I'm going to paste the prompt right in here. And now we're going to let Claude Code work right here. All right, so this is a pretty amazing prompt that ChatGPT came up with. So I'm using my company as an example here so we can see how good the Codex versus Claude Code is. Now I have a couple other video ideas I'm going to do. I have a couple other language models that I want to battle against each other. So if you guys like this one, let me know and I'll do more videos like this. Alright, so while this is brewing up, we're going to go check on Codex's performance over here. So let's take a look. It's still planning and thinking. We're going to fix this up. And this is starting from scratch. So I've done plenty of other code bases like this. I could have given you guys an example of which one, but I want to actually pit them against each other and then use each other's prompts to see which one actually came out with a better landing page. And you can do this for anything. I have plenty of ideas that I've been working on now, but I really want to battle this out today against these two AIs. So sometimes in the IDE, I like it a lot, but I also like the cloud-based stuff too because you can get so much more stuff going on. Like, you can have 10 different projects working all at the same time, and you're not limited to your IDE, which you could too, but it's a little more intensive on the system. But we're going to go over a little bit of the Codex options, I guess you could say. So underneath here, you can pick the reasoning model, low, medium, or high. Right now, I have it on medium, and it thinks quickly, and the high takes a lot of usage, and it looks for better answers. So if you really want good stuff, I suggest going on high. For the demo, I'm only going to go medium, same thing with Claude, and you get to select the model over here as well. And I'm going to use ChatGPT 5.1 Codex, and you can pick other legacy models too, you know, if you want to. Also, I am in agent mode. You can give it chat, agent, or full access agent. You want to be careful with that one. It can run into some issues if you do that, but as long as you know what you're doing, you should be alright. And then you can also set it to work locally on your computer, or you can run it in the cloud. Right now, I'm running it locally. So, also, you can see the context window right down here on the lower right. Right, it shows you your tokens used, and it also shows what you got left in that window. Alright, so while this is still working... Oh wait, nope, okay, it finished working. Alright, so there's some placeholders, it looks like. Alright, so we're going to go over and check on Claude. It's probably finished as well. Right, it looks like it's having some connection issues on Claude for some reason. It's probably my network, but let's check it out. Yeah, it looks like it's still generating. But let's check and see. Sometimes it freezes like this. Let's check. Alright. Sometimes if you give it another little message like that, it frees it up and it will tell you. Not all the time, but... Alright, so yeah, it actually finished now. And we're going to show you exactly what the output came from Claude and from Codex. Now you guys be the judge. Tell me who won. Alright? I have my own opinion, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. Maybe I will. We'll see. Alright, ready to check it out with me right now? Alright, here we go. The big reveal. Alright, we got this one right here. And then we got this one right here. Which one do you think was Claude? Which one do you think was Codex? I'll tell you right now. This one right here, the second one, was Claude. Easily you can tell right up here. It says Claude demo. And here's Codex right here. So, you guys let me know down in the comments. What did you like the best? What do you think was the best output? Now we can go down and we're going to scroll down a little bit more and to see everything. So, Codex, nice and slow, which actually did pretty well, in my opinion. We're going to keep on going. See how it pays for itself right here. That's pretty cool. And it's not the greatest. I do like this. It's a little bit buggy. You can see some minor errors here, but it's still pretty good. Some FAQs here. And your regular contact card. Alright, now let's go do a little bit deeper dive into Claude's. Alright, so I like this. It has some cool gradients in it so far. And there's a little bit less bugginess going on here. Testimonials. Not a huge fan because a lot of them are fake like this, but overall, personally, I like Claude's output a little better. But you never know. It could be from ChatGPT's prompt, right? That made it really good as well. You know, who it's for. Here are the changes. Right? And all this information here is totally accurate, by the way. All this way to automate saves so much time, and it instantly, it's worth it in the long run. It pays off. It pays itself off pretty quick. But don't take my word for it. Test it out for yourselves. And if you need any help, let me know. We're here for you. Book up a call. And we'll see you in the next video.